Excel is one of the most powerful tools in the world, and it is everywhere. But how do you make sure Excel doesn't start to take on a life of its own? 3 dangers lurk in the shadow of every Excel professional, but there are opportunities to manage them. Firstly, in Excel you can calculate anything, but that makes it dangerously easy to make critical mistakes. Unfortunately, it isn't always easy to know where to look for them. What if you had a way to catch errors before they cause real damage? Excel is also flexible. You can design a model however you like. But this freedom all too easily leads to chaos. What if you had a helping hand to bring structure to even the most complex models? A virtual assistant guiding you to make the right choices while you work. Last but not least, since Excel is so widespread and accessible, it's a natural choice for collaboration. But how do you manage the resulting Excel landscape? Even just keeping track of versions is a challenge. Imagine if you had a way to effortlessly compare Excel files and document changes. Don't throw out a useful toolbox. Sharpen your tools instead. Excel is powerful, but it's your choice to make it perfect.